Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by choosing a trusted VPN app that lists low latency or gaming servers. Install the app and sign in. Make sure you allow required network permissions. Once done, confirm your device is on a stable Wi-Fi or strong mobile data signal to avoid packet loss. You want minimal background apps consuming bandwidth, so close unnecessary apps. This first step prevents common lag issues and sets the stage for selecting the right server for Pubg Mobile play. You now pick a server in the region you need, favoring those that report the lowest ping. This reduces in-game latency. Make sure to enable the VPN's kill switch and DNS leak protection so your real IP won't leak mid-game. Once configured, set split tunneling to route only Pubg traffic through the VPN, which preserves overall performance. After configuring, connect and watch the app confirm a secure tunnel. If the ping spikes, try the next nearest server until it stabilizes. You should launch Pubg Mobile only after the VPN shows a stable connection to the selected server. Once in the lobby, check the in-game ping and region marker to ensure traffic routes correctly. Play a quick training match to verify consistent latency before ranked games. If you see rubber banding or disconnects, immediately switch to an alternate nearby server, toggle the kill switch off then on, or disable split tunneling briefly. This quick troubleshooting step usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.